Business $160? Well, right now with Vodafone, you can get 2 months free access fees on selected 24-month red business plans. That's right, free. That would save you $160 on the Vodafone red business plan. Become a ready business and start saving today by chatting to a Vodafone business specialist in-store or on 1300 111 Vodafone, power to you. Even our TV is applying. Offering June 30, 2016. Total minimum cost $1,760 on state method on getting more plans.
Remember to always gamble responsibly. Maximum bet $50. Terms and conditions apply. See ladbrokes.com.au for details.
My name's Lee Holdsworth, driver of the Holden V8 Cruise car. Our team...
And then have to work late. It's higher. You can't stay. Because all days the producing chemicals have been building up in your brain. They'll eventually reach a tipping point. And
Okay, they've been drying for about 15 minutes. They're ready to go into the car. And then, hopefully, no brake squeal ever again. Brought to you by Curly Motors.